seen the solid vehicles, and now we are going to deal with the liquid vehicles. So in alcohol, as everyone know, alcohol is the vehicle having main role in our preparation of drug. So about the alcohol, there is a synonym, that is ethanol, or it's called as spirit of wine. And the word is came exactly from an alcohol in Arabic. Okay, it's an Arabic word which means alcohol. Okay, and ethyl alcohol is a monohydric alcohol, which means it only contain one alcohol group. Okay, and the chemical symbol, as everyone know, C2H5OH, and its molecular weight is about 46.07, and its boiling point is 78.5 degrees Celsius, and it's the FP, that is the freezing point is minus 140 degrees Celsius. So alcohol burns with the blue smokeless flame, and the sources of alcohol, that is starchy material, that mash, that oats, barley, wheat, and potatoes, and then sugar substance like grapes, and synthetic, that is ethylene, and usually from the molasses. It's contain 50% of fragmental sugar, or the commonest source in our country which is available. So alcohol is burns with the blue smokeless flame, and the sources which has starchy material, that is mashed oats, barley, wheat, and potatoes. Then the sugar substance, that is grapes, and synthetic, that is ethanol. Then usually from the molasses, because molasses contain 50% of fragmentable sugar, and which is available commonest source in our country. So there are the two step. There is the first step in the preparation of wash. So how it is made? So that is the sucrose plus water is used, and which is catalyzed by yeast, that is invertase, which gives glucose plus fructose. Okay, then glucose and thymase, which is catalyzed by thymase, which means yeast, which give the ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. And this fermented liquor is washed, and which contain 50% of alcohol. Just to know this is nothing important. And the second step, the wash is subjected to fractional distillation in a fractioning still called coffee still. And the vapors of alcohols are lead to consider and collected, and this is alcohol. So from starchy material, two steps were used, that is saccharification and alcoholic fermentation. What are the two steps? That is the from starchy material, there will be a two steps that will be used for saccharification and alcoholic fermentation. So saccharification, that means it has the three steps. Okay, that is malting, mashing, and hydrolysis. So malting is nothing but barley. It's germinated at 50 degrees Celsius, and where the enzyme is diastasis, and it's developed, and after a few days of germination is chopped by the heat, and the malt is extracted with the water. So there is the three steps, that is malting, mashing, and hydrolysis. In malting, nothing but barley is germinated at 50 degrees Celsius, and the enzyme is diastasis, and it is developed after a few days of germination. When the germination is stopped, it's heated and malted, and then it is extracted with water. That is the malting. And mashing, that is suitably starchy material is suspended in a water and agitated with superheated steam to get the pasty mess, and this is known as the mash. So mashing, there is something mash, right? It's nothing but the suitable starchy material which is suspended in the water and agitated with superheated, and which is agitated and superheated steam to get the pasty mass, and so this is called mash. Then hydrolysis, mash is mixed with the Malt extract. So the hydrolysis is the step. We need malting material and the mashing thing, and then mash is mixed with the malt extract. Already there is an extract has been extracted from the from that, and with that mash is mixed with the malted extract at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Then fermentation was started, and starch is hydrolyzed to maltose. So these are the three important steps. Okay. So that is malting, mashing, and hydrolysis has been used in the saccharification. So first is the malting, that is barley is germinated at 50 degrees Celsius and where the enzyme is distases and developed after a few days. And when the germination is stopped by the heat and the malt is extracted with the water, then mashing is suitably starchy material and is suspended in water and agitated with superheated steam to get the pastimers. In hydrolysis, this mash is mixed with the malt extracted and which is heated and extracted at 50 degree to 60 degrees Celsius, and the fermentation starts and starch is hydrolyzed to maltose and is subject to alcoholic fermentation. So there will be a common impurity will be present with this preparation. In the alcohol is since it is a fusel oil. So there will be some method that has been used for the removal of the impurities by a distillation with purified animal charcoal. Okay, and impurities are okay, and the impurities are blue limits, which means red limit shows the presence of acid. Then alcohol plus different concentration of solution has been added, and this will be give the presence of which the impurities has been present as more. Okay, and then these are the common thing about the alcohol, and then about the absolute alcohol. Okay, so absolute alcohol is an anhydrous alcohol, or alcohol is dehydrated. Theoretically, it's 100% alcohol. And the absolute alcohol is prepared by the dehydration of rectified spirit with fresh quick lemon, or distillation of rectified spirit is mixed with little benzene. So the absolute alcohol is prepared by dehydration of rectified spirit with the fresh quick lime, or by the distillation of rectified spirit and mixed with little benzene, and contain not less than 99.4% of ethyl alcohol, and its specific gravity is about 0.795, and it is used in the Staff process for the purification of sugar of milk. So the sugar of milk has been purified by absolute alcohol used in the Staff process, and this is an absolute alcohol. This is 100% of alcohol. It's prepared by dehydration of rectified spirit with fresh quick lime, or by distillation of rectified spirit mixed with little benzene. Next, about the strong alcohol. It is also called alcohol fortis or alcohol foriter. That is, it contains 95.2% or 92.7% of pure alcohol. So absolute alcohol is an 100% alcohol, and strong alcohol is having the component of 95.2% or 92.7%. And the specific gravity here it is 816, and which is at 15.6 degree Celsius. And the uses, it has been used in the preparation of mother tincture, which is included both old and new method. And old method mother solution is preparation for the class has been used as a class 6. Okay, so uses, this is the main alcohol used by homeopathic preparation, that is strong alcohol, which is contain 95.2% of alcohol or 92.7% of alcohol. And all the mother tinctures has been prepared using this thing, and both old and new. And the old method mother solution is the preparation, the class 6. Okay, then about the dispensing alcohol, and this is an official alcohol. Dispensing alcohol is prepared by diluting 947 ml of strong alcohol to 10 ml with the purified water. So As everyone knows, strong alcohol is used as the homeopathic preparation. And then about the dispensing of alcohol, it's an official alcohol, dispensing alcohol prepared by diluting 947 ml of strong alcohol to 1000 ml with purified water. Okay. And it also contains 91.4 percentage and 83.1 percentage of ethyl alcohol. And this specific gravity is 0.82892 to 0.8319. Then dispensing alcohol is used for making most of the dilution from the tinctures in decimal scale, and the preparation of potency of 50 millismol scale, and conversion of solid trituration and into liquid potencies, and used for the potency preparation and dispensing purpose. So dispensing alcohol is also used for the preparation of potentized medicine, and the strong alcohol has been used for the preparation of mother solution and mother tincture preparation. And dispensing alcohol is used for the preparation of potency preparation and dispensing purpose. Okay. With the dispensing alcohol, it's used for making most of the dilution from tincture or in the centesimal potency or in the decimal potency or the 50 millismol potency. And the conversion of solid trituration into liquid potency, these dispensing alcohol is used. Then about the dilute alcohol. So dilute alcohol is preparing by diluting, that is the dispensing alcohol is prepared by diluting 947, that 947 ml of strong alcohol to 1000 ml of 1000 ml with purified water. And in dilute alcohol, again the this one is coming less, that ml will be coming less, that in prepared by diluting 632 ml of strong alcohol to 100 ml of purified water, 1000 ml of purified water. So it contains 60% of ethyl alcohol, and the specific gravity is 0.91392 to 0.9169. See here, after the conversion of solid trituration, that is 6x potency to 8x in the liquid form, and near the next higher potency 9x is prepared with the dilute alcohol. So the 6x potency and 8x potency or the 9x potency has been prepared with this dilute alcohol, and the dilute alcohol is used to prepare 1x 1c potency Hahnemannian method, and prepare evaporating lotion and cleansing of utensils. So the dilute alcohol has been used the conversion after the conversion of solid trituration, that is 6x potency to 8x in the liquid form, and next to the higher potency in the 9x, and prepared with the dilute alcohol. And the dilute alcohol is used to prepare 1x and 1c from the mother tincture preparation according to the old Hahnemannian method, and preparing or evaporating the lotion and cleansing of utensils. Next about the proof of spirit. Okay. And before that, there is a ratio in the preparation of dilute alcohol, that is 7.3. Then the uses that is used in the dilution in the decimal scale and the cleansing of utensils. That is the main uses. Then proof spirit. It is generally it is legally defined as being a spirit which is at the temperature of 51 degrees Celsius, weight exactly 12 or 30th of weight of an equal measure of distilled water. Then alcohol is just enough to catch the gunpowder also, and the specific gravity, that is 0.91697 contains, and it contains 57.916 of ethyl alcohol by volume. and it has been a weight of 49.28% of ethyl alcohol. So these are things about proof spirit. And then spirit is of the strength called 100% of proof spirit. 57.1% of volume of spirit is equivalent to 100% of proof spirit. And with hydrometer, we can easily determine the strength of the alcohol. So with the name of the which is the instrument we can use to determine the strength of the alcohol means that is hydrometer. And any sample having more strength than the proof spirit is called overproof, and any sample having less strength than the proof spirit is called underproof. So the spirit of the strength is called 100% proof spirit, and the instrument used to measure the strength of the alcohol is hydrometer. And some points about the rectified spirit. Okay, so what if we have seen the proof spirit, and now we can see what is rectified spirit. Rectified spirit, that is 60. That means the purified rectified spirit contain 160 or percentage of proof spirit, and its specific gravity is about 0.829, and it contain 91.29% of volume of ethyl alcohol. So rectified spirit is pure rectified spirit contain 160% of proof spirit, and which is contained, that is 91.29% by a volume of ethyl alcohol. And here it's about some types of alcohol and its specific gravity, and how many percentage of alcohol is contained at a glance. Okay, and what are the uses of it? First thing is absolute alcohol, that is alcohol, that is the other name is alcohol dehydrate or anhydrous alcohol. And the uses, there is the purification of sugar of milk in the starch process alone, and it contain the 99.4% to 99% of alcohol, and the specific gravity is 0.795. Then strong alcohol, it is also called as alcohol fortis or anhydrous fortier, and it is used for the preparation of absolute alcohol, mother tincture, official alcohol, and dispensing alcohol. And it having the percentage of alcohol amount is 95.2 and 92.7%, and the specific gravity is 0.816. And then about the dispensing alcohol, that is the alcohol officinale, that is the official alcohol, which is used for the preparation of dilution. So this one, dispensing alcohol is used for the preparation of dilution, and the strong alcohol is used for the preparation of mother tincture and official alcohols. Okay, and dispensing alcohol. So the dilution which contain, that is dispensing alcohol, contain the percentage of 91.4% to 83.1%, and its specific gravity is about 0.8289 to 0.8319. Then comes that dilute alcohol, that is preparing potencies under decimal scale and cleaning the utensils. That is, alcohol is 60%. Its percentage of alcohol is present with the specific gravity of 0.9139 to 0.9169. Then proof spirit, and it has there is nothing is used in the homeopathic preparation, and its alcohol contains 57.1 and 49.28 with the specific gravity of 0.9196. And it's a rectified spirit. It can be used in the preparation of potency scales under the centesimal scale alone. No other scales has been included, and its alcoholic percentage is 91.29 and specific gravity is 0.289. So these are the some types of alcohol with the uses in their glands. And next, about some alcohol contents of various substances, like we should know in which alcohol is more in some of stimulants are like rum, which contain 45 to 55% of alcohol, and whiskey, which has 40 to 55% of alcohol, and brandy that is 40 to 45% of alcohol, and gin that is 40 to 45%, and wine it is 18 to 20%, and beer it's 3 to 6%. It's not 36, the mistake. It's 3 to 6%. The beer is having the lowest content of alcohol, that is 3 to 6%, and then comes wine 18 to 20%, and the rum is the highest content of alcohol content is present, that is 45 to 55%. And next about the distilled water. So far we can see some of things about the alcohol. Now we can see the distilled water and the glycerol and the solvent ether like one by one. Okay. So in distilled water, this is synonyms as a purified water. As everyone know, aqua distilled and aqua purificata. Its chemical symbol is H2O and the molecular weight is 18.015, and it is how it's prepared. It's prepared by some methods, that is the compression distillation using a Liebig's condenser, that is small scale, then purification by stills, that is conventional stills and multiple effect still, then deionization, the cation exchanges, and next anion exchanges. So these are the method or preparation of distilled water. Then about the specific gravity, it is 1.000 at 250 degrees Celsius. Okay, and the boiling point is about 100 degrees Celsius. It's not 1002, it's 100 degrees Celsius, and the freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius, and the pH is 5.8 to 7. The ionic product at 25 degrees Celsius to 1 into 10 the power minus 14. Then the critical temperature of it is 374.2 degrees Celsius. It's the degrees comes under 0. Sorry, that's a typing mistake. Then water at 20 degrees Celsius and its weight about 997.38 grams. And the impurities are acidity or alkalinity or iron, lead, ammonia, chloride, sulfate, calcium. And the uses, that is for the preparation of aqueous mother solution according to class 5A and class 5B. And it is used to convert solid trituration potency into liquid potency for succussion, and then to prepare the mother solution for the LM scale. So these are the uses of it. So what is the uses of distilled water? It's used for the preparation of aqueous mother solution according to class 5A and 5B. And it is used to convert the solid trituration potency into liquid potency for succussion and to prepare mother solution for LM scale. And next about glycerin or glycerol, nothing but trihydric alcohol, CH2OH or CHOH or CH2OH or C3H3O3. So the name is 1,2,3 propane triol. The preparation is by spendlite sweet water fermentation of molasses, and it has a molecular weight of 92.09 and the boiling point is 290 degrees Celsius and the specific gravity is 1.255. And it is clear and colorless, syrupy liquid, oily to touch, and this is neutral to limits. 1 gram is soluble in about 12 ml of ethyl acetate or by 15 ml of acetone, and it insoluble in chloroform and ether. Okay, and it's soluble only in that is 1 gram is soluble in 12 ml of ethyl acetate or 15 ml of acetone, and insoluble in chloroform ether. And the sources about it is prepared from the spendlite, that is a babe product in the soap industry, or the prepared from the sweet tree, or from the fermentation of molasses or sugar, or synthetic soaps, that is propylene. What are the uses of it? So the preparation of mother tincture and lower dilution of some animal preparation has been prepared using this, that is the Epis, Naja, Tarantula has been prepared using that mother tincture or the lower dilutions has been used with the glycerin. Okay, and for preparing some external application, as everyone know, and preparing for ear lotion, yes, everyone know, like mullein oil, and used in case of ulcer or mouth on tongue, that everyone know there is a medicinal property in glycerin. When there is an ulcer in the mouth or tongue, glycerin is used as an external application and used in the preparing some supporters or ointment, and for preparing nitroglycerin, and glycerinum is the potentized form of glycerin. So there is a medicine known as glycerinum, which is a potentized form of glycerin. So that's all about the glycerol. Next come solvent ether, that is diethyl ether. The molecular weight of 74.42, and which is colorless, sweet odor, and is burning taste, and its boiling point is 34.5 degrees Celsius, and it's dissolved in about 12 times of water, and uses only if alcohol content cannot extract the drug substance from the plants. Okay, it's mainly used in the plants. That is only if alcohol can contain alcohol cannot extract the drug substance from the plants. Next come, there are few oils, that is olive oil, almond oil, sesame oil, then chalu mungra oil, and then sandalwood oil, lavender oil, and rosemary oil. We can see one by one. That is some olive oil. Olive oil, the name is oleum oil, olive. It's a fixed oil obtained from the ripe fruits of olea, and it's pale yellow in color. It seems to be green or greenish yellow, right? Then the specific gravity is 0.910 to 0.913 at 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the olive oil is known as oleum oil, olive, and it's a fixed oil obtained from ripe fruit of olea, and the color of this oil is yellow in color, that is green to greenish yellow, that is the main color. Okay, and the specific gravity is 0.910 to 0.913 at 20 degrees Celsius. Then comes almond oil, as everyone know, it's a oleum Amygdala exparasum, and a fixed oil about from kernel seeds of Prunus amygdalus, and which is also pale yellow in color, and the specific gravity is about 0.9102 to 0.195 at 20 degrees Celsius. Next is the sesame oil. So sesame oil is a gingerly oil, and it's a fixed oil about obtained from the seeds of sesame. It is also pale yellow in color, and it's a faint odor, and specific gravity is 0.196 to 0.921 at 20 degrees Celsius. And then chalmugra oil, that is the fixed oil expressed in the fresh ripe seeds of Hypnocorpus. This is also brownish yellow in color, and rancid butter odor. There is some odor is like a butter, okay, rancid butter. Next come sandalwood oil, that is oleum sandalate, a volatile oil obtained from dried hardwood of Santalum album, and this is thick pale yellow color. It's strongly aromatic oil, and the specific gravity is about 0.973 to 0.985 at 20 degrees Celsius. Next come lavender oil. It's a volatile oil obtained from fresh flowering top of Lavandula officinalis. The color is yellowish green color. Specific gravity is about 0.875 to 0.888 at 25 degrees Celsius. Next come rosemary oil, that is oleum rosemary. A volatile oil is prepared from fresh flowering top of Rosemary's officinalis. So like lavender oil, which is also pale yellow color, characteristics order of rosemary, and the specific gravity of 0.8940 to 81. So these are about the liquid vehicles. Thus we are going to dealing with the last topic of this vehicle, that is semi-solid vehicle. With this we are coming to an end with vehicle chapter. Okay, so semi-solid vehicle. So the vehicle that are in the semi-solid state at a room temperature. Okay, that is the paraffin hard is the first one. Okay, the where is the source? What is the source of paraffin hard is petroleum. So what is the use of it? Is it mainly used to increase the consistency of the ointment? Okay, glycerin is also used as an external application along with the ointment, and here it is mainly used in the increasing the consistency of the ointment, and it is an ingredient to paraffin ointment, simple ointment, and wool alcohol ointment. Next come yellow soft paraffin. So first we have seen about the paraffin hard. Now we are seeing about the yellow soft paraffin. Yellow soft paraffin, that is the is also used as a base for ointment. That paraffin hard is used as a mainly used as a consistency to increase the consistency of the ointment, and here soft yellow paraffin is used as a base for the ointment and is highly occlusive and good emulsionant. Then about the white soft paraffin, this is also utility of white petroleum is similar to yellow petroleum, but it is often preferred because of its freedom of from color. Okay, and it is employed as a protective and base for the ointment and circuits and forms the basis of burn and dressing. Next come liquid paraffin, that is the mineral oil, that is liquid petroleum white mineral oil. It is used in the preparation of eye ointment alone. Then come yellow bee wax, that is the source wax from honeycomb or the hive bees of Apis mellifica, and it is used in the preparation of cerates and ointments and used for hardening of soft ointment, white bee wax, and it is also used as a component of cerates and the ointment. Then about the lanolin, that is also semi-solid vehicle. It's also sourced from the wools of sheep or ovisaries. It is used as a base of water absorbable ointment, increase the absorption of drug from it, and it is used also as the emollient. Then spermaceti, that is sourced from the head and bulbar of sperm whale and hyperone roasters, and it is also one of the solidified fatty substance employed to give the consistency to creates an ointments like paraffin hard. Then soft soap, interaction of potassium hydroxide with sodium hydroxide with a suitable vegetable oil or fatty acids derived from, and it is used in the soap liniment. Then prepared lard, that is also another one. Source is purified internal fat known as the flour of the abdomen of poop. It is used as an ingredient in the one of ointment preparation. Then isinglass, this is also collagen source. This is source is derived from the collagen from thin inner silver shiny layer of the air bladder of some fishes, particularly sturgeon or Aspenser hosa. So this is the some collagen is derived particularly from the fishes. It is important for the component for plasters. Then come hard soap. It is prepared from the fat or oil with sodium hydroxide, and it consists of sodium salt of the fatty acids. Then come crude soaps. The soaps are made with soda or purified animal fat consisting principally of styrene, and it usually constitutes the bar of laundry soap, and it is components of opodeldox. Then about the starch, this is an amalgam, and the source is grain of maize, grain of wheat, tubers of potato and rice. It's a component of glycerol of starch. It has an absorbent and demulcent property. So that's all about the vehicles. And we have covered the solid vehicle, then liquid vehicle and semi-solid vehicle. Thank you.